exercise 1.2 first question. Show that f from r star to r star defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1, 1 and on 2, where r star is set of all non-zero real numbers. So here r star is set of all non-zero real numbers. That means all real numbers except 0. Now in that set, we have to show that a function is 1, 1 and on 2. So it is given, we have to prove that the function is 1, 1 and on 2. So to prove generally, we have to use, so to prove 1, 1, first consider 1, 1. So to prove the function f is 1, 1, we have to use the condition. If for every x1, x2 belongs to the domain, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2, then we can say f is 1, 1. So using that definition, we have to prove. So for that, let x1 and x2 be any two elements of R star bracket domain, because this R star here, it is a function from R star to R star. So that means here domain and codomain both are same set. So to represent the domain, we can write bracket, we can write domain. So let x1 and x2 be any two elements of R star, which is the domain. Now we can prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies, we have to prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2, here x1 and x2 are elements of domain. So f of x1, that is image of x1, image of x1, it is, the function is defined as f of x equal to 1 by x. Function is defined as f of x equal to 1 by x. So what is f of x1? F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies, in the place of f of x1, we can write f of x equal to 1 by x. So f of x1 equal to 1 by x1. So we can write 1 by x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 is 1 by x1 equal to f of x2. What is the image of x2? F of x 1 by x. So what is f of x2? 1 by x2. So we get 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2. That implies, see here, remember that here R star is set of all non-zero real numbers. So in this set there is no 0. All other real numbers are there except 0. So here x1 is not equal to 0. Therefore 1 by x1 is defined. So x1 and x2 are not 0. So 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2 implies, we can write x1 cross multiplying x1 into 1 equal to x2 into 1. So x1 equal to x2. So using this we get x1 equal to x2. So we proved that for every x1, x2 belongs to the domain, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So we can write for every x1 comma x2 belong to R star domain f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. So that is the definition of 1, 1 function. So we proved that for every x1, x2 belong to the domain, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Hence f is 1, 1. Therefore f is 1, 1. So we proved that f is 1, 1. Now we can prove that f is on 2. So we have to prove f is on 2. So f is a function from R star to R star. So f is a function from R star to R star. So this is the domain, this is the codomain. Now to prove it is on 2, to prove that this function is on 2, that by definition we have to prove. That means consider any arbitrary element, y, from the codomain. So if you draw arrow diagram, let it be like this. So here this is the domain R star. Here this is the codomain R star. So this is domain, this is codomain. So now we have to consider, first to prove it is on 2, we have to consider an arbitrary element from the codomain. So from the codomain we have to consider an arbitrary element. See here in all real numbers are there. It is not possible to write all the elements in the set. So just imagine here all real numbers are there. Here also all real numbers are there. Same set, both are same set. but this is domain, this is codomain. Now consider an arbitrary element y in the codomain. So this is the codomain. So this is the function from f is the function from r star to r star. So first you consider an arbitrary element y in the codomain. So first we have to start like that. So to prove on to let y belongs to y be an arbitrary element of R star, which is codomain. That is very important. We have to consider an arbitrary element. Y be an arbitrary element of R star, which is codomain. Since here domain and codomain both are same set, we have to mention which is that, domain or codomain. So we have to consider y an arbitrary element of R star, which is, so from the codomain we consider an arbitrary element y, such that here. So now what is the definition of onto function? If for every y belongs to the codomain, there exists some element x in the domain such that f of x equal to y. So we have to prove that corresponding to any arbitrary element from the codomain, there exists some preimage in the domain, preimage x in the domain such that f of x equal to y. Then if f of x equal to y, that is image of x equal to y, we can say x is the preimage of y. So for every y belongs to codomain, there should exist some element x in the domain such that f of x equal to y. So that we have to prove that such an x exists in the domain. So first we take the arbitrary element y from the codomain such that f of x is equal to y. So we consider an arbitrary element y from the codomain such that f of x is equal to y. That means image of x is y. Image of x is y. Now we have to find out what is x. Corresponding to y in the codomain, what is the preimage x? That is what we want to find. So given that f of x equal to, function given is f of x equal to 1 by x. So in the place of f of x, we can substitute what is f of x? 1 by x. So in the place of f of x, we can write, therefore, we can write 1 by x. F of x is 1 by x. That is equal to y. Now what we want to find? We want to find the preimage x. What is that preimage? That is what we are trying to find. So if 1 by x, f of x, in the place of f of x, write 1 by x. So 1 by x equal to y. We got. So what is x here? We want to find x. We want to know what is x. So x equal to 1 by y. So if 1 by x equal to y, here remember that both are non-zero real numbers. R star, that is non-zero. There is no zero in that set. Set of all real numbers except 0. So if we got x equal to 1 by y, that means what is the preimage of y? See, we got the preimage of y in the domain is x. What is x? 1 by y. So that means what? This x is equal to 1 by y. That means preimage of y is 1 by y. That is what we got. Now we have to check whether such 1 by y exists there in this set. What is that set? But we have to see what is the domain. What is the domain here? Set of all real numbers except 0. So for every y, if you consider any y, any non-zero real number in the codomain, corresponding to that, the preimage here is 1 by y. That exists. We know every non-zero real number y, corresponding to every non-zero real number y, there exists some number, real number 1 by y. We know that. For every non-zero, corresponding to every non-zero real number y, there exists one real number 1 by y, non-zero real number 1 by y in the domain. So we can write this x equal to 1 by y. Such a number 1 by y exists. That belongs to which set? Set of all non-zero real numbers. So we can say this number 1 by y, which is the preimage of y, that belongs to R star. R star, which R star? Domain or codomain? This R star is domain. This is the domain. So preimage of y is in the domain. 1 by y exists, belongs to the domain. So this 1 by y belongs to the domain R star. So what we proved? Corresponding to every arbitrary element when we consider any arbitrary element from the codomain y, we got the preimage of y is 1 by y, which belongs to the domain. So we proved it is onto. So we can write therefore corresponding to for every y belongs to R star bracket codomain, there exists codomain, there exists codomain, there exists 1 by y belongs to R star, that is domain, R star which is domain, such that f of 1 by y, such that f of x means 1 by y, such that f of 1 by y equal to, we know by definition f of x equal to 1 by x. So what is f of 1 by y? 1 by y, f of x 1 by x. So what is f of 1 by y? 1 divided by 1 by y. That is 1 by y, which is equal to y. So we got, if you take any arbitrary element from the codomain corresponding to y, there exists one pre-image 1 by y in the domain, such that the image of 1 by y is equal to y. So we got image of 1 by y equal to y. So corresponding to every y belongs to the codomain, there exists some pre-image 1 by y belongs to the domain. Therefore, it is onto. Therefore, f is onto. So we prove that f is 1, 1 and onto. So we prove that f is 1, 1 and onto. So next we will prove in the next session.